Hi everyone, in the last session we have discussed how to insert a node as a first node and how to insert a node as a last node. Now in this session we'll be discussing how to insert a node before any given node. And in order to insert a node before any given node, we'll be going with this steps. And the first step is we'll be checking whether the double linked list is empty or not. If double linked list is empty, then we need to give some message that double linked list is empty. If double linked list is not empty, if there are some nodes in the list, then we need to accept a value from the user and we need to check whether that value exists in the double linked list or not. If that value exists in the double linked list, we need to insert a node before that. And these are the steps that we need to follow. Let us see step by step clearly. And the first step is checking whether the double linked list is empty or not. And how to check it? At the time of declaring the structure, we'll be storing null in start pointer. Right? When we call this insert before function, still your start pointer contains null means, then we need to use some message that double linked list is empty. Double linked list is empty. Right? So suppose a double linked list is not empty. We have some set of nodes in the double linked list in such a way that the 1000 address has been stored in what? Start pointer, and forward link of 1000 contains address of next node, and 2000 forward link contains address of next node. Like this, the nodes exist in the double linked list. Double linked list. Now I would like to insert a new node before any given node. So for that purpose, what I need to do is I need to ask the user to enter which node before you want to insert. And with the help of scanf, I'm accepting the value and storing that value in some variable called n. Now your n variable holds the value of what the user entered value. Let us assume that the value that user entered is what? 30. That means user interested to insert a new node before 30. Now what is our responsibility is that we need to check whether this 30 exists in the list or not. If 30 exists in the list, we need to insert a new node. We need to create new node and we need to insert that new node before 30. Right? So we need to check whether this 30 exists in the list or not. Right? In order to check whether this 30 exists in the list or not, we'll be going with this logic. Right? So we need to visit from first node till the last node. We need to visit. If 30 is found till the last node, we need to insert before that 30. If 30 is not found after reaching to the last node also, then we need to give some message that no node exists with that. Right? So first thing, in order to visit from first node to last node, I'm taking some temporary variable. And temporary variable is assigned with what? Start. Start contains 1000. 1000 has been stored in what temp? Your temp is pointing to the first. After that, we need to enter into this while. That is first iteration we are entering. And we are going to check whether temp not equal to null. Temp actually pointing to 1000. 1000 not equal to null means condition is true. Condition true means enters into this while. Inside this while loop, we have one if statement. We are comparing the data part of first node with respect to n. How we are going to compare means if temp arrow data is equal to n. Temp arrow data means we'll be having 10. 10 that is 1000 arrow data will be having 10 is equal to 30. 10 is equal to 30 means condition is false. Condition false means what we need to do? We need to make temp to move from first node to what? Next node. And at the same time, I'm going with some instruction in order to establish the links. I'm going with one more instruction. Temp I'm storing in what? Previous. Actually, what temp contains 1000. 1000 I'm storing in what? Previous. So your previous also pointing to what? First node. That is 1000. Now what I need to do is I need to compare second node value. Not to compare the second node data part. I'm making temp to move from first node to what? Second node with the help of this instruction. Temp is assigned with temp forward link. Temp forward link contains what? 2000. And 2000 has been stored in what? Temp. So your temp moves from this 1000 node to what? 2000. After moving temp from 1000 node to 2000 node, we need to check whether this 2000 temp not equal to null or not. We're entering into the second iteration. So 2000 not equal to null, condition true means enters into the while. Inside this while loop, again, we need to do data comparison. That means we need to take 2000 data part is compared with what? N. Again, temp arrow data means 2000 arrow data is equal to 30. That is 20 is equal to 30. Condition is false. Condition false means again previous comes from this node to this node with the help of this instruction. That is temp is assigned to what? Previous, which 2000 has been stored in what? Previous. So previous moves from 1000 to what? 2000. Now after making previous to move from 1000 to 2000, now I need to make temp to move from 2000 to 3000. And for that purpose, we'll be going with this next instruction. Temp is assigned with temp forward link, that is 2000 forward link. We'll be having 3000. 3000 has been stored in what? Temp. So your temp moves from 2000 to what? 3000. After moving temp from 2000 to 3000, again I am entering into the third iteration that 3000 not equal to null. Condition is true. Condition 2 means I am entering into the if part. In this if part, what I am doing is I am going to compare the data part of 3000 with respect to n. So 3000 data will be having 30 and n value is what? 30. 30 equal to 30 means condition is true. True means I need to stop the process of searching because match is found here. We need to create a new node and we need to insert a new node before 3000. Right? So if I want to create a new node means the same instruction like malloc size of struct d-link and allocates a block of memory and struct d-links divides that into 3 blocks and which contains address 5000 that has been stored in what? After allocating block of memory, we need to accept the data part like with the help of scanf. I'm accepting the data part and storing null in 2 link fields. And after this node I need to insert before what? 30. Right? So this is the 5000 node and I would like to place this 5000 node before 30. And how I need to place that? With the help of some instructions that I'm going to use, and what are all instructions I will be explaining you one by one. Just have a look on this new node. Whenever you are going to perform insertion operation, first try to fill new node, forward link and backward link. After filling this, then break this links. And how we are going to do? Let us have a look on instruction by instruction. First instruction, what it is saying is new node forward link assigned with temp. New node forward link assigned with temp. That means new node forward link means this one is assigned with temp. Temp means what? 3000. That means 3000 has been stored in what? New node forward link. So that a link is going to be established from new node to what? 3000 node. And after this, we need to place in this backward link which node address I need to place. 2000 node address I need to place. For that purpose, I am going with new node backward link is assigned with previous. Previous means what here? 2000. And the 2000 has been stored in what? New node D. That means in this place, I am going to store 2000. A link is going to be established from 5000 to what? 2000. Like this, the links has been established. After establishing these links, I need to break this links. That means your previous forward link should contain 5000 and your temp backward link should contain what? 5000. And in order to do that, what we'll be doing is we'll be going with this instruction temp backward link. That means this one. Temp means what? 3000. 3000 backward link should contain what? New node means what? 5000. So that here 5000 has been stored. So that link will be established from temp to what? New. After that, I'm going with this thing. Previous forward link should contain what? 5000. Previous forward link should contain is assigned with what? New node. New node means what? 5000. And 5000 has been stored in what? Previous forward link. That means earlier it is 3000 and this 3000 has been replaced with what? 5000. A link has been established between 2000 node and 5000. Right? This is how a new node has been inserted before 30. Right? So now let us have a look on coding part and how what we are going to write the coding for this. We are first of all will be taking function, and that function will be taking one pointer, and we are taking some variable called n, which is used to store the user entered value, and then we'll be taking the value of f as 0, and this is going to decide whether the node exists in the list or not. And then we'll be checking whether double linked list is empty or not. If double linked list is empty, I'm going to print some message that double linked list is empty. If that condition is false, it goes with else part, and we are asking the user to enter which node before you want to insert, and I'm going to use here scanf, and I'm storing that in some variable called n. Now what I need to do is I need to start from first node. I need to compare what data part of first node with respect to n. Match is found, stop the process. Match is not found, I need to go to the next. And for that purpose, we'll be going with while loop. Right, while temp not equal to null, if that is true means I'm going to compare the first node data part with respect to n. Match is found means it is enters into the if part, and inside this if part I'm going to make the value of the first one, allocating block of memory, accepting data part, assigning null to forward link and backward link, And with the help of these 4 instructions, we are establishing the links. And later we will be giving a message called new node inserted after a given node. Right? So if match is not found in all the cases, whenever the while loop is going to be false, it comes out of the while loop. After coming out of the while loop, we are checking the value of f is 0 or not. If the value of f is 0 means the meaning of that is it does not enter into the if part. If it is entered into the if part means the value of f is becomes 1, we found the value. Right? So after coming out of the while loop, we are checking the value of f, whether it is 0 or not. If it is 0, then we are giving some message that no node exists with that value. Right? So this is how we are going to perform insertion operation after a given node. And in coming session, we'll be discussing how to insert a new node after a given node. I hope everyone understood it. Thank you.